What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day of Whitley Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum custom mix series where we pick cool Rustoleum colors, we shoot pearls and flakes over top to create crazy new colors on a budget, and we decide, do we love it, do we hate it? 1, we don't really care for it, all the way up to 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen, and you guys get to be the judge. Well, today I've got gloss apple red and gloss black, and the pearl I'm shooting over top of it is cherry red. I've had a lot of people want to see more reds on the channel. I know I predominantly have done blues and greens and stuff like that. And hey, you know, I'm all for shooting a whole wide range of things. Cherry red's been a popular pearl on the channel. Obviously, I've done it many times, but I've never done it the way I'm doing it today, to where I shoot it over gloss black to get full coverage, and I shoot it over red to get full coverage. So basically, when you're shooting a solid pearl like cherry red, the best two go-to colors you can shoot a solid pearl over is a color that matches it, which in this case will be apple red, and a gloss black, because it just gives you a neutral base to shoot it over. You can shoot it over white, but a lot of times it leaves it blotchy and coverage is terrible. So gloss black is normally the go-to. You can shoot it over dark gray, but you're still going to have a little bit of coverage problems. Like I said, so gloss black's the go-to, or a solid color that matches the pearl you're shooting if you want to get more of a factory looking finish. But anyways, I got my fender prepped up behind me today, guys, sanded down, cleaned up real good. We're going to two-tone it with this Rustoleum, and then we'll get to shooting some pearl in, see what we can come up with. So let's get into today's video. Guys, so we got our gloss black and our apple red put on the fender. I'm using my Speedo Coat Clear today with the medium activator. Mixes 4-to-1. I got 6 ounces of clear in here, so I'm gonna put about 1.5 ounces of medium activator in it, and it's about 70 degrees out today, so it should be perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there, and that'll be good. And we got this cherry pearl, guys, which is a pretty cool pearl. Use it a lot on the channel. It's a very vibrant, very vivid pearl. And everybody seems to love it, so hey, can't really beat that, can you? All right, so as far as the mix goes today, yes, I got a spoon. I'm gonna try not to go crazy, but I do want to get a good amount of pearl in there because I want to get full coverage over the black, and you know, that's just what we're going for today. So put about 1/2 teaspoon in there. That should be good. Close this up so I don't get it everywhere, which I have many a times. Boy, if I did a B-roll footage on all these videos, the times I splash stuff on myself or whatever, boy, you have no idea. But anyways, guys, so got my cherry red pearl in the mix. Like I said, 1/2 teaspoon. We're just shooting a fender. And this is all for entertainment purposes, just so you guys get an idea. If you want to pick up any of the stuff you see and shoot out your own stuff full scale. But anyways, guys, I'm going to bring you in close. Let's stir this up, and let's get this video rolling. Alright guys, so here is the cherry red. Now I know you guys have probably seen this many a times on the channel, and it's a very popular vivid color, especially in the mix. Kind of looks like Hawaiian punch, but don't drink it, right? No, just kidding. Anyways guys, yeah, this is the mix for today. Let's load up the gun and let's get it spraying. Alright guys, so I got my cherry red loaded up in my V4 gun. Make sure you keep your pearls agitated so they don't clump or do anything in the mix. And as always, you're shooting through the V4 gun with a 1.4 tip. I shoot at 28 PSI, that's wide open trigger if you want to replicate my settings on your regulator. We're going to apply a light first coat, that way everything has time to get together and make sure we ain't going to have any reactions, wrinkles, any kind of weird mess happen. And then we'll take it coat by coat till we get full coverage, and you guys can see it step by step. So I don't know how many coats exactly it's going to take. I'm going to just kind of use my better judgment, I guess, and when I think we're done, we'll take it outside in the sun and see what we got. So I'm gonna put my mask on and let's get the spraying. Alright guys, so this is the mix today. A cherry red pearl solid pearl coverage over gloss apple red and gloss black. Now obviously two extremes of the same pigment, but you see the color variation between the dark color all the way up to the light color that mimics it. And over the red, it did contrast it pretty well. When the light's not on it, you don't really see the pearl, but as soon as that light hits it, you saw it turned into a fireball. And over the gloss black, well, you got a really pretty black cherry / burgundy color out of it. And that's actually the natural color of the pearl. So obviously base plays a big factor when you're shooting pearls over top of it. And luckily today I didn't overload the mix, right? So it ain't blotchy, everything laid out like it should. and that's what you want, guys. So it's one of those things where you just have to take your time. I do recommend before you take anything full scale to do a small spray out just to make sure you got your consistency the way you want it. And then divide your pearl per how much material you need, clear, paint, or whatever, accordingly. And like I said, less is more, guys, with this stuff. You can always go back and add more coats, but you can't take away coats. But anyways, I had a ton of fun on this spray out today. Ultimately, it's not up to me, it's up to you guys. I want you to rate it. 1, you don't care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen. And anywhere in between, guys, there's no wrong answers on this channel. Everybody has an opinion, and I appreciate every single one of your opinions. And speaking of which, if you made it this far in the video, please hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you don't miss a minute. And hey, I appreciate it, guys. But yeah, that's going to be it for me today, guys. If you want to buy any pearls, anything you see in the video, links in the description, as seen on YouTube, click it, takes you to my Amazon store, and you can pick up stuff there and support the channel. But I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I hope you like, share, comment, subscribe. Hope you have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next spray out.